When you search for canned soup variety packs, everything looks the same. Same labels, same flavors, same claims. But to figure out what truly stands out, you need to look a little deeper.
Product number 1, Campbell's Chunky 4-Pack Bundle. First up is the Campbell's Chunky 4-Pack Soup Bundle. This set caught my eye because it combines 2 classic flavors, Healthy Request Chicken Noodle and Savory Pot Roast. If you're looking for hearty soups packed with protein, this is worth a serious look. Each can boasts 16 grams of protein in the chicken noodle and 13 grams in the pot roast. That means not only are you getting a comforting meal, but you're also fueling your body with essential nutrients. Plus, with a total of 75.2 fluid ounces across 4 cans, this bundle can easily stock your pantry for quick meals. Now, some people have complained that the flavor of the chicken noodle is somewhat mild compared to homemade versions. Here's the thing though, if you're in a rush or just want something warm and filling, this doesn't really matter. It's still a solid and convenient option. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, protein-rich meal option. Skip this one if you're looking for gourmet flavors, but at a great price point, it's a fantastic value for busy individuals.
Product number 2, Campbell's Hearty Beef and Barley Soup. Next on our list is Campbell's Hearty Beef and Barley Soup, available in a pack of 24. This caught my attention because it promises big flavors with savory beef, carrots, and hearty barley. If you're craving a filling meal that's easy to prepare, this could be right up your alley. With 20 grams of protein per can, this soup is not just tasty, but also satisfying. It's designed for convenience. Just pop it in the microwave and you're set. The mix of beef, vegetables, and barley provides a comforting taste that's perfect for chilly evenings or outdoor adventures. However, some reviews mention that it can be a bit salty, but honestly, that's often the case with canned soups. And if you're watching your sodium intake, it might not be the best choice for you. This is perfect for you if you love hearty, protein-packed meals on the go. Skip this one if you're sensitive to salt or prefer lighter flavors, but otherwise, it offers great value for a quick dinner solution.
Product number 3, Campbell's Steak with Hearty Vegetable Soup. Now, let's talk about Campbell's Steak with Hearty Vegetable Soup. This pack of 4 features chunks of seasoned beef steak along with a medley of vegetables. What stood out to me is how it balances flavor with nutrition, making it a solid choice for lunch or dinner. With 13 grams of protein per can, you're getting a good serving of protein alongside those veggies. The combination of beef broth with potatoes, corn, and carrots delivers a rich taste that's both comforting and filling. Plus, it's microwavable, so you can enjoy it in just minutes. On the downside, some might find the steak pieces a bit chewy, but here's the thing. If you enjoy the robustness of beef in your soup, this should still be a winner for you. This is perfect for you if you're a meat lover looking for a filling soup. Skip this one if you prefer smoother, creamier soups, but for what it is, it's a good bang for your buck.
Product number 4, Campbell's Chunky Soups Variety Bundle. Next up is the Campbell's Chunky Soups Variety Bundle. It includes 2 cans of Healthy Request Chicken Noodle and 2 of Chicken Broccoli Cheese. If you want variety in your pantry, this bundle definitely delivers. This pack not only brings you comfort food classics, but also keeps it on the healthier side with the Healthy Request line. Each can provides a good source of protein, making it a satisfying choice for those quick meals. The soups are easy to heat up, so you'll be enjoying a hot meal in no time. However, some users mentioned that these soups can be more watery than expected. I get that, but if you're looking for something quick and convenient, that's a minor issue when you consider the taste and nutrition. This is perfect for you if you enjoy having options without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something gourmet, but for everyday meals, it's solid and affordable.
Product number 5, Campbell's Chunky Chicken and Sausage Gumbo. Finally, we have the Campbell's Chunky Chicken and Sausage Gumbo. This bundle features 2 cans of chicken broccoli cheese and 2 of chicken and sausage gumbo. If you're in the mood for something a little more adventurous, this could be your best bet. The gumbo brings a nice kick with its blend of spices and flavors, perfect for those who want a hearty meal with a bit of flair. With 18.8 ounces per can, It offers a satisfying portion that's ideal for lunch or dinner. Plus, it's a great option if you're cooking for a crowd. That said, some people have found the gumbo to be a bit too spicy for their taste. But here's my take. If you enjoy a little heat in your meals, this is not going to be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love bold flavors and a bit of spice. Skip this one if you prefer milder soups, but it's a great value for those looking to try something new.
So there you have it. From the classic Campbell's Chunky 4-pack to the more adventurous chicken and sausage gumbo, each of these options brings something unique to the table. Whether you're in it for convenience, protein, or flavor variety, there's definitely a soup pack here for you.